Hey, Frankie Carey. We just had somebody comment on our last video. They said that they saw writing on the one that came off the dormer. So we're gonna go look. We got the dormer stones stacked over here, and that's one of them right here. So this would have been this one is the other side. So there's some, I think that's what it was there's, when they were chiseling off big chunks of it, I think it just looked like writing, but the one that everybody noticed was this one here. And that's what it, I think it's just some random chips that looked like writing. I was curious because I didn't notice it taking it off, but I can't tell that it's anything but random. I was excited, but it doesn't look like it panned out. We appreciate everybody watching our videos and looking for stuff like that, because we don't notice everything. So thanks a lot.
All right.